YouTube, I love you guys, YouTube. I'm grateful and I'm glad I get to share this message today. And the truth is, guys, success, money, and all that good stuff, bro, it really don't make you happy, bro. It really won't actually make you be like, have that zing and that zest for life, bro. A lot of people think if they can just get this more money, they can just get this more thing, they can just get into this place, they can go to this place, all their problems will be solved, bro. Been there, done that, bro. Been there, done that, bro. The problem is when you're trying to reach for all those goals, once you get it, bro, it's never enough. So you need to find another goal to get. You need to find another way to get paid. You need to keep searching and keep finding when you don't realize those are external things that will truly never bring you inner peace, bro. We keep thinking our inner state is going to be solved by money, fame, and whatever else you're desiring, bro. Girls, bro. We need to put more value on relationships, guys, and being a part of this world. Not trying to chase all these things, then getting it, and then trying to go for some more. That's the problem, guys. Having goals and chasing them is not wrong. But when you get there, and you're like, all right, I need the next one, I need the next one, I need the next, and never fully, like, loving what you have, being content for a little bit, bro. Yeah, it's cool and all to keep going and say, I'm a go-getter, I'm gonna fuck everybody else, I'm gonna just get what I need. That's cool and all, bro. But at the end of the day, bro, you're gonna look around and you're gonna see no one, bro. Nigga, that's I've been there, bro. I've been there. You got shit niggas would want, niggas would kill for, bro. But at the end of the day, nigga, when you go home, bro, you know what you really got. Bro, having money in your bank account ain't gonna help you feel fucking okay, bro, at night. Bro, having followers and whatever ain't gonna make you feel good when you're sitting alone, eating alone, nigga. That's the truth of the matter that nobody wants to bring up. But the people who don't have it, you know what they're gonna say? Oh, it's easy for him to say. He got it, bro. If I had it, nigga, that wouldn't be me. That's exactly what everybody says. Well, if I had a boat, bro, I'd be the happiest man on earth. And when you get it, bro, you're just gonna want something else and not appreciate it. You never appreciate something until you don't have it, bro. That is the truth of the matter. I love you guys, and I'm grateful to share this message.